Hello everyone. I made a comment on Teju Babyface show where he interviewed Lateef Adedimeji just this week. And in that comment I said I feel encouraged and I'm going to go on with my YouTube channel because of the tenacity and how Lateef did not give up his acting career when he was not earning much. Somebody responded to my comment and he said, "Is YouTube a full-time job?" And I answered the person again and I said, the person is ignorant. That though I do YouTube part-time as a side hustle, many people are doing it full-time and it is a full-time job. Somebody also responded after my own response that YouTube is a cash cow. So I'm bringing you this advice or this content at this time, telling you why you should start your own YouTube channel. I started my channel in 2019 or thereabout, and today it is moving on. Somebody said beginning is half done. That is in the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Beg your pardon, it's in the book Tough Time Never Lasts but Tough People Do. Beginning is half done. The moment you begin, you've done half of the work. Can you imagine? So if you begin your YouTube channel, you have done half of the work. Many people are shy and they cannot face the camera. If you are shy, you cannot face the camera, I will advise you to go for a faceless YouTube channel. In fact, a faceless YouTube channel, you can use on the faceless YouTube channel, you may not show your face and you can use AI voice. On the internet, there are a lot of text to speech online. So you go there, you generate your YouTube content using AI on ChatGPT or elsewhere online. After generating it, you paste it on your text to speech. It converts it to audio. Then you save this audio, and then if the audio are in different forms or in different places, then you go online again and you merge the audio. So you merge the audio becomes one audio. Then you go to your movie maker and you click that you want to make a movie. And then you get some pictures from pixels.com or from Pixabay. You can get pictures, free pictures and free videos from Pixabay or from pixels.com. You put these together, you download them, and then you put them in your movie maker. After arranging all the pictures together, then you can now add the voice to it. After adding the voice, you can now put the name. You can edit by putting the name of the title on it, or you can do it in different ways. Go to canva.com and create different Canva videos or Canva pictures with different titles. So you arrange this on your movie maker and then the audio follows it. After doing this, you download or you save to your system. Then you go online again and you download video compressor. After downloading the video compressor will help you to compress your video, and then you can now upload the compressed video on your YouTube channel. By so doing, you have not shown your face. But remember, a faceless YouTube channel is different from a faced YouTube channel. A YouTube channel with a face, the face that you have on it becomes a brand. So on my channel, you can see my face is a brand that people know. And you can also go on a face YouTube channel that is not faceless. And there are many things that you can do on the YouTube channel that is not faceless. You can be gisting with your friends. You can be gisting with your wife. You can be gisting with your husband. Different things that will make people to laugh. And people will come out, will put your video on and say, darling, come and see, and they watch together and they laugh and they enjoy their romance, enjoy their marriage just because of you. Every day, every time they keep on producing new content, they keep on coming to watch, and then your views and your subscribers count on YouTube and your watch hour increase, and then you get monetized, and then YouTube start to pay you. So the more you do this, the more you are going to be able to earn from YouTube. Let me put it to you that at the beginning, it may not be as straightforward as I've said it, but you just need to start. Beginning again is half done. So when you begin, you've done half of the work. What remains is to do the 51, 52, 53, 54, up to 60, then 70, then 80. Then you go on and continue doing the work. So when you begin, you've done 50%, and then you build on it. I'm saying this because of the ignorance that individual exhibited when he said, is YouTube a full-time job? And people responded that he is ignorant. And he later responded that his girlfriend or his wife told him that people are making money from YouTube and many other things like that. So I don't just want you as my viewer to just be watching me or watching other channels. You too can make money on YouTube. No matter the business you are doing, no matter what you do, there's something that is unique to you that you can bring and showcase on YouTube. I have other videos that talk about niches and many other things on YouTube. And I have a class where I train you for a few months and give you assignments, and I guide you to start your YouTube channel. I'm going to charge you 100,000 Naira only for that class, and it's going to be for 2 months. And I'm going to guide you until you can go on your own, even beyond 2 months. So if you're interested, just indicate interested in the comment section below and be ready to transfer your 100,000 Naira to my account, and then we get started and I monitor you, and I will hold your hand until you produce your first, second, third, fourth, even up to 100 videos. By the time you produce 100 videos, I bet you are on your way to the top. My name is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun, and I bring you content on this channel that will help your life. I have spoken about many businesses and many life experiences that you can gain from, and I really want you to gain and to be profitable in everything that you do. On another forum that I belong to, somebody was saying that the person said he have no job. That you have no job, YouTube can be a job that you can start if you are jobless today. So you are jobless maybe for 2 years, 3 years, you have finished school and you cannot start a YouTube channel and you don't know anything you can talk about. Come along, I'm going to guide you. If you can prove that you are a graduate and you have finished school and you have no job, I am going to give you, instead of paying 100,000, I'm going to ask you to pay 80,000 Naira only, and I'm going to guide you, and I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to train you until you become what you need to become. So this offer is for the employed and the unemployed. Talking about Faceless YouTube channel, I have a Faceless YouTube channel called Scholarship Advert. Scholarship Advert. I started it 2 years ago, but I have not been so consistent because of workload and many other things. It takes time to edit, it takes time to get the voice, to get the content, to write it, and many other things. Now I'm back on that channel again, and I will leave the link to Scholarship Advert in the description section of this video. Go ahead and check it out, and if you need help in creating that kind of channel and guide, I'm going to help you to do it. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video. If you have questions and comments for me, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.